Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Printify with Squarespace. Basically, anyone can follow it. It's very simple. Here's how. So here I already have logged in my Printify and my Squarespace account. And then from here, we're just going to go to My New Store right over here. And we're going to click Manage Stores. And then we're going to add a new store, and basically we're going to choose Squarespace. And then I already have here two of my sites. We have Dale and Evans Services, so this is the one I want to choose, and I'm going to click allow. All right, there you go. So you can rename your store here, or you can basically connect existing store by clicking that one, and then you're just going to drag down here. Now basically for me, I'm just going to name this store sample store. There you go. And then I'm going to click continue. There you go. Congratulations, you connected the Squarespace store. Check out this article on how to start selling. Now here, if I'm going to click this one, there you go. So now I'm redirected to my store in Squarespace. Congratulations, that is basically how you connect Printify with Squarespace.